Hello guys, how you okay? How you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing fine. For me, I'm fine. I'm doing great. So let's talk about something important. What is going on in YouTube and everywhere in Facebook about Chacha. So we're going to talk about it, not because we are perfect, but let's talk about it to other stuff. Okay? Just a minute. Let me share my message. Okay. So okay. I hope you guys can hear me. So let's talk about it. Uh, what really happened to this beautiful artist? This actress that's been, has been my. Let me say, I love her so much. Then many years ago, even when I love being. I wanted to be a actress. In this Nigeria stuff, Nollywood. Then even then when I was writing them, this Chacha was the one that was really inspired me to get that thing from my head. Even if when I write them many times, but they did not reply me. So they will say you should pay money because me I'm in Europe now, so I don't know if it's fake or real. It that if you want to be an artist, you don't need a actress, you don't need to pay, it's free. So I was confused. So then I forgot about it. So some years ago, I think last year, she got married 2013. I think so. That's 7 years of marriage. So I think last year I saw a picture when this lady she just slim somehow. I'm going to show you guys the video, picture. So I don't even know what happened to her when she come lean like that. She was somehow changed. So I did not understand. People were saying that a marriage is because of a marriage. I don't have the picture again. So people were saying she leaned because of a marriage because her marriage is not good. She's feeling pain. She's stressed. But I know she did not accept those things. She never accepted. So everybody forget it. So now the marriage, now I know what she the past if na still man. But why did I bring this message talk about it? To you to talk about to educate people out there. Today people want to get married. Marriage is good. Not marriage is not good. But we all pray that when we marry, we should be better than our single life. Many of us today, me as example, I use myself as example every day. You understand? So when you marry, it's better you should be good. You should be better. They will see the changes in you. You will look more beautiful, more clean, more prop. As in when I say prop, as in everything, not perfect, everything will be around you. You don't need to get married, you can't dey slim, you can't dey dry. I know all of us want to diet. Nobody want fat. Me wey talk to me, I don't like fatness, okay? So we want our life to change, to take a new dimension, a great dimension. So when you now marry, things begin to change. There are people out there is looking at you. So Chacha come slaying. She was somehow, we know, many people know that she was not okay. Me that me even they married, I know that she's not okay. But when you are married, you are okay, then they know. When you are married, you are not okay, they will still know. Even if that we know everybody are pretending. That's one. So I think 2 days ago, I've been there for yesterday. I think I dropped that video in my page. I think that was on Sunday. I think yesterday I've been there for yesterday. I don't know again. So I saw that video that she said she's finally leaving her home. What make her to say she want to divorce? Because we never had a problem. Even Peter Edochie, our daddy, or in Nollywood, talk about her that she's still in marriage. Many of them, why many artists are not staying in marriage. Look at Chacha. She will talk about Mercy Johnson. Because everybody think that she's okay because she never speak bad about her husband. She never speak about bad of her marriage. And people admire those kind of marriage. That one I want in life. Don't admire people's life. Don't admire people's marriage because there are a lot of people that is pretending that they are happy. In there, they are dying. And that was Chacha problem. She was not okay. She was not feeling good. She was in pain in her marriage. She was in sorrow, but she could not speak out. You understand? She was dying there. Okay, that was one. Now she came out that day for yesterday to say she's finally leaving. Although when I go for Morris, people were saying, even in Google, people were all those comments when you go to Nigeria, the stuff, people are saying why she want to leave her home, she should do this. This is where I come in as well. You see, in marriage, as I said before, I talked about this, that was last week. I said there are some marriage that you pray for. Even when bad time come, you pray. But there are some marriage, when something happen, you don't need to even waste your time to pray. Even God in heaven know that this marriage is not good for you. Chacha was not the Chacha we used to know. Chacha was not that lady that we used to know. She really tried. Even I know that this is not the first time that this thing is happening. Before I find out that her husband cheats Her husband went to sleep with her own friend. You understand? But what is going on? Why many men you cannot marry and stay with your wife? I said, why can't you marry and be with and love your wife and care for your wife and make your wife be the most happiest woman? Is marriage by force? But I still blame her somehow. You know that the man you marry 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. I know sometimes you need to try your best. We stay inside now. We still stay for inside. You will say, let me try my best. You will good by the grace of God. Waiting go good, no need to spend 10 years. What marriage that will be better will not spend 5 years. Marriage that is good for you, you don't need to spend 10 years. In 2 years, you will know that this thing is good for me. In 3 years, you will know what will not good for you. Even though you spend 30 years, it's not going to still good. So for her to leave this time, I feel her pain. She could not hold it anymore. Because last year she could have lived, but she came out again and said there is nothing wrong. That is just stress, that she's working, she's doing that, I feel her pain. Many people are judging her. Why she did not speak out before? I said it before, when you dey marriage, even when you are dying, you don't talk. We too, we dey inside before. Even when the man is killing you, you will not talk. Not be all must have it talk. Because me sometimes I like to be keep. I say, okay, let's pray. But the girl will come rich. That's what happened to her now. It's up to a year. She have to go. And when you see her video, let me show you guys the video. When you see, maybe most of you don't watch it on my page. When you see her video, the one she live in the page where I see her, you understand? Where I see her, see the talk alone, you know that this girl, she's suffering. You understand? You will know that she's not the Chacha we used to know before. You understand? She's not that girl that we used to know before. She has changed. Even the way she's talking, you're gonna say she not get strength. This is her. Let me have the volume.
But I'm done. I'm done. I'm leaving with my life, finally. I can't say a lot now, but you hear my story. I'm crazy, I'm not. But this video is to let the world know that I'm done with the marriage. I don't have a lot to prove that I'm done with him, but I'm done. I'm done.
Okay. She said many people will think that she's mad. She's mad. She's not mad. Because many people say she's mad, she's something like that is wrong with her. She said she's not mad. But she's living. But she don't have a lot of things to say now. But you guys will hear her story. So I really feel her pain. After all, I went for more research to really find out what make her to live her 7 years of marriage. I began to understand that her husband sleep with her own friend. Wetin dey worry una men? What is wrong with you guys? Wetin dey worry? I said it for na men sometimes. That's why anybody stop blaming women when women separate. Stop blaming them. I hate it when people will come out and say, because even though I'm married today, because my marriage is Alpha and Omega, and there is no Alpha and Omega marriage. I always say that. Don't let anybody tell you that my marriage is the best. Any of your friends that tell you that today, I was with my friend say, bless him, my marriage is giving people. I say, which man perfect? I said, even my own women, they with a friend, he not perfect. She said she laughed. He said, bon. He said, but I said, even though I dey coach women, I cannot come here and tell you your friend is perfect. He's not perfect. We quarrel, we have arguments, but sometimes when we argue, nobody to settle us. We settle ourselves by ourselves. We know what we can do. We know what I know. Say if you do this thing, I tell her if you do this thing, I'm gone. If you do this one, we'll fix settle one. So no marriage is perfect. So people was admiring her marriage, but she was suffering. She was dying. I make her come lame. I did not see the picture again. When you see this girl, when you see this beautiful girl, let me look for a picture. When you see this beautiful girl, when you see her picture, when she was in Hollywood, she was doing film. My viewers, you love her. She's so beautiful. People they marry, make them better. No woman want marry where you can't change. The way that I would they marry, we not fit buy jeans 10 euro wear. You understand? We cannot buy jeans of 30 euro and wear. We cannot buy jeans of 40 euro wear. That will not be marriage. Any marriage where you enter, you not feel they buy what you feel they buy when you did get. It's better you go back to single life. Or you marry any man when you not comfy, take off yourself again. The man is giving you problems. So people did. One of my friends tell me, says, I marry, I don't get peace. I want to go. I told her why. He said, because I don't have peace in my marriage. So any man that you marry today that is not giving you peace, it's better you go out. You understand? Because your peace matters a lot to you. Your peace is very important in your life. That's the thing that gives you life. If you don't have peace, it's better you quit that way you did. You understand? It's better you quit. Because your peace of heart, when you look at Chacha, look at her. Look at her. I could have not even shown her baby, but look at her. You see her? You see her? So when you now see her, this, let me look for her former picture. The way she was so beautiful, you know, beautiful girl. So I was so surprised when I see her change. I was so shocked. I was so shocked. I don't know. So I don't really know. Maybe person marry better man. When you marry wrong man, your life will change. So please be careful. No be every man will ask you for marriage that they ask. Even if maybe it can't happen, you can't marry him. You see that the thing is not working, go out. Don't let people laugh at you. You say, I dey shame. They go laugh me. Don't let, even though they laugh, you laugh, you not go laugh you tomorrow. They are not better than you. The people that is laughing at you. Don't keep useless marriage. Don't keep useless home. Because you want to be a housewife. You understand? Yeah. I think I found this one. This one now. Look at her. Okay. This was she. This is her before. Okay. Yeah. You see her? So if you watch this thing now, which one you prefer? You were never married today. You are looking at me. You are single. Look at when you were a single girl. This one. Now you now got married. Look at the way you are now. Which one you go? Is this one even attracted to her husband? Why her husband not go cheat? Why her husband will not sleep with a friend? Imagine why her husband not go cheat. But look at what this man have done to this girl. Is this man that made this girl be like this because she was not like this before? I don't know if you can see this girl, this video, this picture. This lady now. If you are a man, your thing self go rise for this kind of person. You will be like man, so your team will not rise. This is what many women are facing in marriage today. You marry a useless man. Sorry to say, a man that will frustrate your life, will make you become a man like you at home. And those men will go out there and cheat. Those men out there will go out and do rubbish. So when you now cry out, people will pray, say, forgive her, you know, have patience. God will do it. Sometimes when people are talking about forgive your husband, do this, you know, there's something they forgive man for. But a man that make this kind of lady to become like this, the way she even talk, when I see that picture last year, I was even shocked. I said, this girl is not normal. This girl is not okay. And even the video when she talk on this video, she's not okay. Not because she's mad. For her brain, something is wrong with her. What she's seeing in that marriage, it make her to, she be like with a craze. But she's not a crazy. So she's not crazy. But there's something that work hard on her head. You know what is that? Marriage, you know. A woman that developed everything that she had, you know, on her marriage. She stayed for 7 years. It's not easy. Maybe when you stay for 6 years, so people say, hey, it's not easy for you to stay for 7 years. Marriage when never good. You manage to carry for 6 years, 7 years. It's not easy. So sometimes when I see people now, they do 1 year married, or they do see me, they do shakara, they laugh there. And so this one, we don't do a pass. All this one will not be anything. Waiting, not be to them. You put a baby in marriage. Even though say now 6 years I spend, 6 years plus. You guys are baby. Wait till we see for marriage, it's big. So I'm not going to blame her. So if you are a presenter, don't blame her. You understand? She's living now. Now she won't leave. But I just pray that as she's going now, I should go find. You know, as a woman, when you decide to leave. Because they say, my mother darling say, wait till don't make goats come on man, like they kill them. So anyway you have to, whether you're a married woman, you are not okay, as I said before. Like this lady now, the way she can't be now, which kind of attraction she's going to give to her husband? That man have taken that attraction away from her. She don't even know whether, see what she did wear. Cha-cha, beautiful girl like this. When they scatter fame, when you see her, you are in love with her. I said she make me to come and find Nollywood. She make me want to enter Nollywood, go the heart film. Even though they not come contact me. She make me, seeing her moving alone, the way she do artist, when she get her film, she change. So today my message here, why am I sharing this? It's for we women to be careful today. To be careful. Not be all married and they enter. And before you enter any marriage, you need to pray. And be sure, say this marriage, if you enter, this marriage will be better than your single life. Don't marry any man when you call the regret, your single life go better pass. The way many of us suffer that time, we not fit buy gist of 10 euro. We've had a bag of 100 euro. We've had a buy clothes, buy you my hair, way long richness. When you come marry, you not fit buy this again. That one is setback. It's called what? Setback. You're supposed to marry, make your life move, make your life go up, make you become great somebody. You don't say your marriage will give you everything, but you go better past your single life. That person talking about, they say, it's better you remain single. You understand? Marriage is not do what. Many people they born. I have a friend that just born that day. He said, I just want to have a baby. She's 39. He said, I'm with my boyfriend, I just want to have a baby, but I'm not getting married with him. So it's not compulsory one man must marry you. And I talk, when you're not married, when you're a man not married, the man they respect you more than marriage. I'm telling you guys the truth, because when you're married, then make cha-cha stay rich like this. ashamed. She don't want people to laugh at her. Not be said the marriage was good though. She just want to leave now because the thing don't reach her neck. The man have been putting pain on her. The man have been making her cry. Now make her lame. Just want to be getting with fat. Which can useless sport. Now we even fat self. This coronavirus make us chop come big. But at the grace of God, next year now, I don't start my diet. All of you are going to watch me, and I get good bet we are going to say. I'm waiting for it. So that bet now, because I am going to, you go that bet 7 waste. Okay. So but I'm waiting for that. Okay. You understand? So that is the kind of thing. She's not a woman that have big weight. She's not fat. She's which kind useless diet she was doing. That is not diet. You understand? That is not diet. She was not okay. She was not happy. In my mother's body said, if you marry, body go as in you go. If people see you, they don't say yes now. Better marriage now you enter. But when you marry that you don't have peace, they go say no. It's right. It's written here. When you are stressed in your marriage, it's written here. When you are not okay in your marriage, it's written here. So you cannot deny it. Even though they call YouTube, they call Facebook, call the form, carry picture for love your husband, they kiss. All those ones we don't see and pass. So that's why if I see someone they put, I know they laugh because we're there. We're once there. I did not say all marriage is bad. There are some that is good, but that marriage, all marriage is not perfect. There must be little things that you are passing through your marriage that, as I said before, that you can handle, but there are things that you cannot handle. Don't kill yourself. Don't say somebody will laugh at you. They will laugh me say my marriage not work. Okay. So you want to die because you want to be a wife? You want to die because you want to throw your kiss? I told you guys before, it's not an obligation that you and your husband must stray picking. You can train your children alone. Now only my mama train me. But none of us carry belly. Now when I go leave my mama, I can't spoil carry belly. So my mother trained us 5 children, but none of us thief. None of my sister carry belly. Nobody born bastard. So you can train your children alone. Don't let any man put you in pain. The man no water. Hey, stop good afternoon. The man did not water, so I blame this lady when she even try born 3. I blame her somehow because me to not tell me still born. She understand? I blame her. If you no work, carry your load, go. Don't let people laugh at you because they want more useless marriage. Today, men, what men are doing to women, they pay me sometimes. I feel the pain when men are hurting women. You marry a woman, you will be cheating outside. That's one thing I hate in my life. I hate it. So don't be afraid. If it's not working, carry your bag and go. There are many men out there. Even those that want to still work, before you go follow 5. Like one of my girlfriend now 5. I don't say I laugh her. Now 5 men don't follow, but today she's in the 6th one, and it work for her. You understand? So any man want to take it for a fool. Imagine this kind of useless man. Now sorry to say, when marrying this kind of beautiful woman, it destroy her life. She destroyed this girl's life. She's going to come up again and look beautiful again the way she is. You understand? The way she used to be. But this man was not good for her. You understand? So it's no obligation that you must be in a marriage. You understand? Don't look at people. Because people, you know, pastors today, they just say marriage, save your marriage. They see marriage when they save. If it's not working, go. Before you go die. Many women have lost their life because I don't want to leave my husband. Thank you. I don't want to leave my husband. How make we train children together? Who cares? Now men know how to train picking. Now man they there. They don't even care if the children are existing. You're picking by yourself. If the father, call them anytime you want, but train your children, you'll be happy. Your happiness, let your happiness now it matters to you. Not beside the boss though. When I was in marriage, not be say I took the marriage to sweet me. I really suffer for my marriage, not be saying a joke I did. You understand? I suffer. I don't feel they buy clothes. You understand? Me na woman will like clothes. I said before, my wife that time, if they buy clothes, me na one will get clothes. But many people don't understand for my city, say what they happen to me. And men are person, I they talk well. But when it comes to about my marriage, I know they queen like to they bring her out to people. Now be this lady, and I make her come and share pain. You understand? There are a lot of women that don't talk, but it's not good. I wish I could talk. Maybe I will not tear it like that. But I said, thank God once, say I still born the 3. Because if not so, now my daughter for born and for come out. Only one child. But I said, thank God, say I keep her, I wait. Make me she born that 3. And she then, she don't born 3 children. Even though she not born again, it's okay. If she want born again, she go first the born she wants. But she knows those 3 children, not for the man. You understand? So don't kill yourself in marriage. And when things are happening to you, that last year when she lean, she know they okay. People know. You understand? But she don't want to talk. No hide your pain. Don't hide your pain. There will be somebody that can give you. Now maybe she don't talk and they say wrong. This marriage is not good for you. And if you look at this girl now, may you see woman, how to even make this one? How am I going to take love to this kind of woman? Meanwhile, the woman says she they irritate me. I'm sorry to say this picture when I see. I don't like her. She not fine again. I know say me I not to make up now. I see my not be only let that less, but I see they try. It's still fine. So you know, say as a woman say, you know, don't put small makeup, paint your mouth. But she can't be like, man. So that make her even say, that make your husband even go play outside. If you know, say you know, sabi carry wife, no put your hand. Don't destroy any woman's life because God too go punish you. Because God too go answer you. So please, when people are talking about why women they leave their marriage, the women don't want to marry, that is the vex me. But sometimes, I will attack. So that they go still call you and they say, any woman when you leave the marriage was not good because no woman go get better home. She go say she want come out. You understand? Yeah, okay, you know she's not okay, my sister. She's not fine. So, but the people say it's too late. It's not late. She waited. Even Peter Idoche talk about her. She's still in a marriage message. Just everybody they bear. But this woman come happen too much to her. Do you understand? She was me. I know say she's not. Even I not talk her last year. I know she's not okay. My sister, I did it. So many of us don't marry before. We know I be. When you dey marry, when not sweet, you when not good, you dey feel the pain. But sometimes you not fit talk. Even my mother, I don't fit tell my mom whether they pass through. Even there, when I go work, I go use my money to take off children feed. But the day when I come out, not beside they boast. The day when I come out, I cry. Even when I come that the father of my children was not at home anymore. Because me, I was the one that left home first. House. I went to, where did they call this place? Lyon. I went to Lyon because I wanted to leave the two. I wanted to leave my city to change my life because I just want to leave because the marriage don't tire me. Me, my enemy not gonna die. The way she said, I don't want to die. It's better I leave. You understand? Not be say the man will kill you. Then they see some man where they give you a partition. Do you understand? I just want to come out, go leave. I go leave before I come back. And my daughter need to go back to school. That time she just did 6 years. When I come out, she not there again. He not there again, don't come out. I cry. He pay me. Because 6 years marriage, 6 years and a half, you know easy. This is the man I married when I was 22 years. I feel the pain. But I believe say it's better for me. After so I can't say, I can't get peace. I can't believe that marriage, I was not having peace of mind. I was not happy. You understand? Even cream. I don't feel buy cream for my body. Even like maybe it's like you go Nigeria, I'll say, maybe buy Caroline, buy me cream. If you see finish, I'm not going to buy cream again. Even clothes. I don't feel back. Maybe they tell women, no marry man. No marry. When you know life not go better, it's better you remain single the way you are. Me when you talk, I'm not the marry. Not be say I be fool. There are a lot of things I have seen in marriage. My 6 years and a half in marriage. Not be say any man married go perfect person. It go feel good small, but all men are the same. But I don't want to experience that marriage stuff again. You understand? I don't want to experience it. Say in year though, it don't reach 10 years when she divorced. She not married now. She still there. You understand? She still there. I pray may God give her pikin. She born. I believe say she go there okay. You understand? So marry, don't kill yourself because sometimes when you marry, your single life go better past marriage. Many women they regret. How many women they tell me say my sister they regret my marriage? Oh, when I date single, I feel they buy things. I feel they say I'm married. I don't feel they do anything again. That will not be marriage. That one has setback. Now be waiting worry this lady. So when you see Chacha before and now, you go know say that marriage was not good for her. And she said that man was her friend. It doesn't mean that because any man will be your friend, marriage go good for you. You understand? Men they change. It does not mean because I date my boyfriend now because we were friends before. Say the marriage go. If I marry, go perfect. Sometimes even though say we born, but that friendship just to be like that better pass than we marry. If we marry now, maybe it go change. It's real. Yes, so if they give back, yes, of course. You know, they give. My sister, me too. What did she feel now? Say, before me carry back, run, go Leon. This is not my fault. I run. Because I believe for me to go that place, it's more easy. I wanted to leave the house for him. I'm not the one, I did not throw him outside. Never, I cannot do such thing. Because I know that I'm the one that tell him to come to France. I cannot throw his things outside. So I leave the house for him. Maybe go to suffer. As long as say me, I know say me in this country, me, I get people, I go find another thing. I can leave the house for him. You understand? Before you go find where you go. That's what I did. But I just want to go away because I believe the marriage don't tire me. Even when my parents were begging me, my father they beg me, I say, Mommy, I don't go fit. Now you marry her. If now you marry, I can stay. Me, I not fit. But although you think that my mother was the one that told me, but it was not my parents because I was tired. I tried for that 6 years for me to carry her along, for me to keep the marriage because of my family. Because I was the first child that got married in my family. My sisters. So I want to keep on, but you know how they work. So people should not blame Chacha. You understand what happened to her? Look at her picture and look at her life. You will know that this lady was not good. Even the video when she draw, when she talk, on this video, you're gonna say that video when she do now all power she did do all power, all strength. She was not good. But I just want to advise men today. Because me too now, I'm of boys. If you know as a man that you cannot keep a wife, don't marry. It's not by force to be a married man. You can just say, woman, let's have baby together. Let's be together, have kids. But there's no marriage. It's not by force to marry a woman. Don't marry a woman. Don't bring a woman to your life and make her feel pain. You understand? Don't bring a woman to your life that will make her, she call a regret why she even say, I want marry. It's good for a woman to marry. She'll be happy every day. Thanking you as a husband. Say, oh God, thank you for giving me this kind of husband. I've seen many women like that are married. When they single, they suffer. When they come marry, if you see them, they look more beautiful, more prettier. The kind of clothes when they wear, say you say you go to respect them. Don't say you come marry, you go walk, or do walk. Man go still follow you chop am. We go back, and we go pay house rent, pay library, pay children school fees, pay everything. Man go dey carry on go Africa. All those life make marriage tire many women. You understand? And she can't even stop to the hard thing. You know, she can't change her life. You understand? You understand? So she can't change her life. You know, no marry man will go change your life. Me na woman will like cocoa shoe. I like high heel. When I marry, my mom tell me say no like high heel. I can't delimit high heel. I can't wear no fast. And me, I don't care. I don't want to. Not marry a man will go make your things. Marry a man will go make you keep on doing things they used to do. Chacha really change. When not the man say make you stop makeup, when not the man say make you stop to the. I don't even see him for movie again. You understand? Any man will marry, you marry because of who you are. Don't let it come to your life and change you. It go fit change. A lot of maybe they smoke. Okay, you can change those things. Maybe they drink. Okay. But anything we don't concern what you love, don't let any man change that for you. That's what really happened to her too. I see say that one still be on that thing when it happened to her. Yeah. Yeah. Friends before. You meet go with friends. You come marry, go say, not for this one again. Now they call this one again. That kind of man run for them. That's one thing I tell my friends. Say, come. After they friend this, so those my friends when I get, don't say my best friend. No, you know, concern you concern them all. If it happens, say I say I know they want again. No tell me say no follow this your friend, no follow this your friend. You don't have the right. Don't tell me who I will call or not call. Leave your home, I leave my home. So many men today have really changed their wife. Come make their wife become any man when you dey marry or you dey friend or your friends. That man want to destroy your life. Because you know, say if you dey feel pain, there is nobody to go to. Now worry cha-cha. You understand? For them not to change. Yes, of course. For them not to change. Yeah, they don't need to change. Don't change. Never. Don't let any man make you to change. Even though you have a friend. Don't let any husband to be or boyfriend say, this your friends, I don't like them. Ask him why. And if you don't have a good reason, tell him that it's not possible. Now me go tired. And if I know what my friend again will come on my hand. Don't let. So Chacha was even running away from many people. Because she was not even. If you go look things in there, all those Nollywood actor, all those things, because the man was a director, okay? Okay? So if you look at those, she was not among them again. Because how would she sit there among them? Before this thing, she could not leave the marriage for a long time. So any man when they marry, not be saying let your husband be your friend. Let your boyfriend, baby, not be boyfriend, be fiancé, live together. Let them be your friend. Talk to him. Because not everything I fit tell my friend. But my man, I fit tell her some things. Why I not say now personal issue about my life. You understand? Not everything I fit tell my girlfriend. I fit tell my man because my man. He dey sleep with me. There are something we go fit keep for me. You know, fit tell person outside. You understand? Because we dey share something together. Be like oats. Okay. Sleep together. Now let food and drink. So you go fit talk. So, but it cannot stop me for me not to talk to be my friends. Because if you dey suffer, nobody when you go fit go meet again. Because that man don't block this way, and those men they are devil. Now maybe we get plan. They want to block you. So when you are dying, imagine saying you know they talk again like that. I not go there too close to come meet you say, see what they pass through my marriage. You understand? A person when they communicate every time. Now you go fit go meet, talk to. So that's what I believe. Now make Chacha stay reach 7 years. You understand? Because not be everybody they go tell their mom they pass through for marriage. You understand? So my advice here is for me to talk to the young ones today. Before you they marry or they be with any man, you understand? Even through dating itself, you face know some. I know some men they give person money, they spoil you, they take care of you. Like when I know the father of my son that time, my father of my children, he was taking care of me with a friend. Every week, people don't say if you get 50 euros, not the one give me. You go see me, I pay wait. Make it pay get 40 euro change. They give me, I do my hair every week. They want to marry, that is change. So if you are a man today, you can't marry. That good thing when they do when you're single, with a friend you get, continue doing it. You understand? Continue doing it. So but when you go say that marriage, you can't say the thing not good again. The man don't, you might know they try. I'm not be waiting he show you like how they show you. My dear, if you know this, you don't have peace of mind, go out. Don't let any man keep you. Don't let any man turn your brain. Don't let any man make you feel pain. Don't let any man make you get heart attack. You know what one you come be like? She come be like who they crazy. She's not crazy. But that video when I said this girl head not this girl not dey okay. She's not mad. But that her brain, as in something is wrong with her. She's not okay. Even the video, if you can watch it, I say it's in YouTube, it's in everywhere. If you watch it, you're gonna say Chacha is not okay. She get as in married when she enter, she carry wahala. You understand? She had problems. She's feeling pain. She's not feeling good. My advice here for her too, she can still watch this video today. My dear sister, go and take off your children. The thing that you know that you used to do that make you happy, go back to that thing that make you happy. And take good care of yourself. Be that beautiful lady that you used to be. When I say for see me, say, Mama, you don't change. I don't know so you find like this. I say I find before. I not be ugly girl. Na money. I don't see person will maintain me the way I find. I can't maintain myself by myself. So I can't believe that when I go day single, now my life better pass when I come marry. The only thing I thank God for today now, those my beautiful children will God take blessing for the marriage. So don't let people laugh at you. Even when your home is not good, you go out. And go out, go rebrand yourself, retake off yourself. Let that man they see the new light in you. Because it was not good. It had not good for your body. Not make you not better. Not make your life. Not make you not shine. You understand? Don't stay in a home that you are not happy. Don't stay in a marriage that is not giving you peace. Don't stay in a marriage that is not giving you joy. Don't stay in a marriage that is not giving you light. Don't stay in a marriage that you are not, they go up. You understand? Person they pray if you marry, you go to increase. You go to go different way. You go to help your family. Then they come in for 50 years, I go to run. 50 years I go to run because I say, this is children, if I give my money, I will take feed my children. But the husband is there. Husband will keep you, carry go Africa. Me, I will say, family, I love my kids. I love my family. I want to keep my marriage. So now that's why if they judge single mom, when they judge, they say, she don't want to marry again or single mother. Many of them don't see something. I made they say they don't want husband again. They don't want to carry liability husband. Don't say the man don't get money. You don't want to spend the money on the family. You don't want to spend the money on the children, but you want to spend the money in Africa. You want to be the most richest man in the world in Africa. If Dangote, pass Dangote, that's what they worry some African men today in Europe. You understand? So, Chacha, take off your children. Advice you, make you bath yourself. I don't do. If you go back to your Nollywood, go and hatch your beautiful film. There are men that will pick you. Which can say you born 3 children. With 3 children, say even 5. My girlfriend now 5 is born, now 6 is born. So man, see carry on. She don't do engagement daddy for Facebook here. What are you talking? So please, my viewers, I'm not encouraging separation or divorce. In any stupid marriage that you are not happy. Any man I want to take it for granted, like some women, a man will marry 2 wives. You go say I go to manage. I don't manage. I will not share my man for anybody. I get out. Because there are many men that is waiting for a woman like you. Just now, all men will marry their destiny husband. Some men, they not be your destiny husband. You just born for her for nothing. You understand? It's not your destiny husband. You're just there. And the man not going to know your value. But when you come out, we go worship you. We go take care of you. So that's it. Okay? So that's one thing I can just share. So Chacha, if you can watch my video, I feel your pain. You understand? Because even me, I was once there. I understand your pain. So not every time I feel talk for video, I understand your pain. I understand what you pass through in your marriage. I don't say my mama be say you cheat on me. And even though say they play game when you go Nigeria, but not say I cash out with girl. But there are something big past that cheating. When, as I talked before, say there are some marriage when you not feel pray. Say God, I go patient. You just have to go. You understand? So Chacha, I understand that pain. It's not only say your husband cheat on her. Now it make her come out. They are more than that, even though she cannot say it. You understand? About her marriage, what make her separate with her marriage. You understand? The artists we say, the artists we don't need to say, we have to keep it. Even because we have kids together. Tomorrow my kids will watch those things. Okay? So that's why. Okay, even though she come and say her husband cheat on her, there are many things that she could have talked about. You understand? There are many things, but she not fit talk all because of her children. Because that's what they do for YouTube now. You understand? 3 wife. Yes, now. Some men they get 3 wife. Some men they have 4 wife. You understand? In Europe here. You understand? So there are many things that she could talk about, but she will not say it. You understand? But this cheating, because Chacha is a beautiful lady. So, man, when you get woman, maintain your wife. You understand? Maintain your wife. Let your wife find past the way she felt be when she's day single. You understand? Okay. Yeah, my sister. You see, so I heard a story of a lady, now European woman day. You understand? Her husband fake girlfriend, but now she fake firstborn. You understand? So her husband can go marry, the first girlfriend can say she not agree because you were dating me before you carry belle give her that girl. So you need to marry me before you go marry. So the man said okay. I said you get belle. I tell you that I have a girlfriend before, but I'm going to marry my girlfriend even though she don't have a child for me. You are the one that have child for me. I'm going to marry 2 of you. So the man married 2 of them. So the lady was happy that okay, no problem. you already. Let's continue our relationship. So the man and the two, they come like that. Once in a while, the man, they come. Okay? So after then, because they don't live together, the man go carry belle give another girl again. When they carry belle give another woman, go carry belle reach almost 4 women. She was the second. And those 4 women, the man said, none of my children go born outside. I must marry all the women. This way I come. Women say, sorry to say, what is the worry now? Now, is it compulsory say man must pay your bride price? Man we don't go for wife, we don't get for wife. You go say one pay my dowry, me go accept. I no go green. You understand? Okay, what? Okay, third wife. Okay, tell me. No, a man will get third wife. How you go tell love the woman? I don't understand, Sha. It's not possible now. But if the man is living with you, if you are the first, maybe you are the first woman. You understand? Look at what's happening to Regina now. Okay? But if you are the first wife, sometimes the man is living with you, now you enjoy and pass. But if you are the second wife, third wife, you are not there, the man is not living with you, the woman not enjoy. The woman they feel pain for sex, lack of sex. Because the man need to share himself. Maybe they can't see the woman once in 3 months, or once in 6 months, or once in a year. Is that one marriage? You understand? So that is not marriage. So this lady now, that's one thing. So a man will don't get many wives. We don't maybe 3 women don't born for her, or even 2 women, and those people don't put money for their head. I can even though say I born for, I love the boy. I'm not gonna let her put money for my head. Because when man don't put money for your head, you don't get many chance again. Not be say cheating. There are a lot of things you will not do because it is Bible. When man not marry you, you feel talk to run the way you feel talk to run, like boyfriend and girlfriend. Now let picking the whole owner. But when man don't marry you, you need to submit to her. You need to respect her, and there are things where you know if you do. You understand? So I don't know why this kind of thing they happen to them. And one day Germany, one day France here. Abi? No, one day Germany, one day Italy. Shall you understand? One day Germany, one day Italy. You know good. You wanna grow up. Okay, that kind of marriage now. You say you want to stay, you want to get happiness. And that one said, don't put the trust for now. It's better you marry a man with a born pikin. I'm just telling you guys, let me just tell you the truth. It's better you marry a man that have kids. Even though the man get 5 kids, marry him. But you know there is no woman at home. You know they drag wife. You know they drag man with. You know they drag the man with. You say you get 5 kids. People should stay with your own. One and train the children together. Don't marry a man when you get wife for house because it's not good. Even though the man gets 20 kids, me go carry. But as long there is no a woman in the house, I go stay with her. Because I don't like her. So you understand? Not good. So those kind of marriage now pain you they feel. And many people are passing that today. They know they cry. You understand? But when you say the person they are happy, but they are not inside them, they are dying. So women wake up. Any man when they marry join you, when they give belly to women, the man don't deserve, he don't respect you. The man don't even know if you are existing. But you think that you are a wife, you are not a wifey. You understand? You are not a wifey. The man just get you just he don't even love any of you, they deceive all of you now. But you are carrying his baby. Go. But if you can't hold, how you will feel? So it's better say you divorce now. It's something work out your own. If you want to remain single, you remain single and take your time away for the bright man. You understand that for you to be in the pain in marriage that it will give you pain and sorrow tomorrow. So church, as I said before, it's better you go. So I can watch one video one guy they tell her say, make she go back. It doesn't matter. Waiting happen. The video they vex me. I said, why woman go to encourage woman like this? You understand? Now person when you come up for marriage, you know what they see. Now maybe not they judge women divorce. I don't judge them. I said the woman not do abomination. Now when you do adultery, I don't want the verse people say, why you can't do one? Okay. So if I say to get condition, maybe the man not there as I talk now. Man will marry for wife. You know they can't sleep with the wife. You can't leave one woman for them. Now woman before you woman. But the woman can do it because you are not there as a husband. So that one different. Say woman just your husband they take off, your husband they give you the thing, you still go out there and that one different too. She understand. So if you know say the marriage not they work, carry your bag and shoe and go away. Don't they laugh people. So people should leave Chacha. She have make her decision to leave. Me and I will pray for her. Make the marriage work. I'm just telling you guys, God though, but me I will not pray for her. And I say, hey, God, go and settle. I will not pray that. I pray that God, if this is what she wants, that God should give her the peace of mind. God should give her the strength. The way God still give me that time. You understand? May God give her that strength. Make sure they take off those 3 children. May God give her. And even if you tomorrow say you want to marry again, may God give her a good husband When you go know her value, because many men don't know women value. See, if you see some people they talk about marriage and stuff, you will be person there. I don't understand. That is it. Does not love them. Yeah, mama, you understand, sister? It does not love them. That will not be love. Man will love woman, eh? And they talk, man will love woman. You know, go even cheat. You understand? Even I heard a story that even when me and my ex were together, you know, sometimes supposed to say the zero though. May I say one story today? Not because I put my ex man down. I respect him. He's the father of my children. You know, even when we're together, a pastor told me that he go born that he's going to marry another woman. Even when me I did. What did they tell me? Not truth. You understand? So I know it will come. Even though say not be now, even though say we will separate, I know say it will happen one day. So you understand? So when you are in marriage, me I was not ashamed. Even when many people beg me, but many people did not understand. That means when I leave this girl alone, when I leave Chacha, if she said she want to go, let her go. Many people did not understand what I was feeling inside me. I was not good. But I understand my pain. Even say many people they see me for trying to dance. Nah lie. Many people have now say but she never had a problem with her husband. When they cover up, that be the foolishness when you worry me too. Don't cover up when your marriage is not good. And don't let your husband send you away for all your friends. Be with some of your friends again. In case when they pepper you, when they bite you, when they hit you, you go see where you go wrong go. Say, my friends, what did they do me? One person go tell you one word when you go change your life. Because sometimes if you marry, let's say your head come block. The head is not working again. You just focus say, my wife and my children, my husband and my children, finish. You don't even know if another person they exist. Even many of us that we don't pray in the morning, we don't even put, but you need to still be around people because you don't know tomorrow. You understand? So don't marry man when get many wives. You don't get what 3 wives. Mostly European. When men must be men, 50 cents. Men many. We go worship you, we go wash your leg. So don't let one man take it for granted, useless your life for you. You can't do there. When you don't hold, now you want to do. So now you're still young, your body you see the hot. My dear, find your level. Cha-cha, you do it well. I hate cheating. I hate when you go marry man, you can't become zero. So when I see the lady picture, she not good. Since last year, she not good. Can't go to do sports. This is cha-cha exercise. Now lie. Which exercise? You know good. Even though you do exercise, you'll see fresh somehow. You understand? Like when I do diet, they get time why they fat. And they get time why they slim. Maybe not stress. Even though they say I see stress, maybe I too stressed. Then they sit on time where I go see the hard weight. That's how they be. Slim. What happen? That is not good marriage. But not if I let slim because when me did my wife fat. But inside me, I was not good. So people say they fat for marriage, you know me say they do okay. But when you look at their face, I said before, me, because me don't experience, I'm not to tell, 6 years and a half is not a joke. To stay with a man who you don't know before. We'll not be the same tribe. It come from, I don't know her before, we not grow together. It's not like my brother now, if we stay for 30 years together, say because now my blood. Or my, this one I'm I don't know before. So when we go, people don't say that they pretend. Now hear me till they know their head here. Not be saying a charm why they see them and their face. You understand? Their face. I go see their face change. They not go dead normal. And they see many. You understand? So me they advise women. Cha-cha take her decision today. I am very happy for her because she know what is good for her. So I just want to use to advise many women out there. If you are that kind of woman today, you they feel this kind of pain. Maybe your husband too. You know they beat you, but there are a lot of things where you lack as a wife. And if they talk to her and say make it change, you don't want to change. And you know say no, they give you happiness. It's time to take a walk. Not be say you leave and go to marry or go born. A man after 1 year or 2 years, the man go realize say you are good. Say he made mistake, he can still come back to you. But sometimes let the man go, make God really know what he want. Because some men, they don't know what they want. Don't let one man keep you. Don't let one man destroy your own future because your future is bright. Do you understand? Not going to college 50 years, 60 years, you can't cry. You understand? Let me just, one story when I want to talk about, now about my own life story. Now just short one. When I separate, I can't get one mama. I think she's 50 years now, be 60 years. She's not Cameroon woman. And they call her my mama. When I want to do my party, maybe I will bring her. You will see her. If I do my party, maybe by December now, this is my husband. I never even do party put, okay? I will show her. I will talk. Now when I separate, when you separate, follow mature people. She tell me, her husband want to go buy pan. 5 children, oh. Her husband say, I want to go and buy, what do they call it pan for English now? All those strong bread. I know what I'll call it for English. For France, they call it pan. okay, or this strong bread when they long. The young person go buy panel husband take run leave 5 children for her. She can't suffer train all those children by herself. And said before all our children, no one will not go school. The other one is a pharmacy. They work for pharmacy, okay, in a girl. That one married, but the last one, that one just married but that day. Many of her children, they really go school. She try up. But she can't forget to marry. She not come marry again or be with a man again. Today she don't hold. When I separate, I say, I know they marry again. I not go be with man again. The woman tell me, say, blessing. Even though say the man leave you. And when I separate, I was just 27 years when I separate. I separate when I do my 28 years because I married at 22. She said, you're still young now. You're just 28 when you complete so. It's better you stay with somebody again so that tomorrow you no go cry. The way they suffer now, Almighty don't go leave me. I'm alone. But I wish I get man today. Even though I'm not born again, but I know say there's a man in my house. There's a man with me. Today I'm alone. They say, she know they find money, oh, she go they carry this, what do they call her, what do they call this, now this Congo food. It be like akasan, what they type for, they call her, I don't know what they, well, this is my fridge, now if you go bring a con. They call her shikwan. Pierre, that was it, eat a con. She they send her the waka up and down. No be say she don't get work. She not the chat to busy. When she advised me that word, I can't really laugh. I can't really. I go think about it, but I not even say, Mama, that's true. But today, what did she tell me today? When I said, Mama, thank you very much. You understand? So even if maybe your home is not good, you need to still move on. You understand? Move on, but take time to really work on yourself. Take your time. Go for another one. There's still better one out there. Not be say that man go. This one you can't go. They perfect. Where? But this one will still better past that first one you leave. Because now you don't get enough sense. Like Chacha today, now if you go back to that man, the girl, you come marry tomorrow. She don't get many experience. You understand? Because that first one was not good to her. You understand? So even me, I don't like maybe all those you say now my director all those stuff. Still say go walk, but he never walk. So when you see Chacha, since that last year can't reach now, you no good. You gonna say that man when she even marry, no good. The man just want to marry her to destroy her life. You understand? Many men are out there today to destroy women's life. Many men had there, not be said they want marry you, but they are devil. They want to bring you down. They want to make you feel pain to bring that beast in you. For a man to bring that beast in you, it's better you quit out. You go out for that marriage and be a happy woman that you want to be. You understand? My people, if you see me again, just born that day. I tell her say, yeah, you want. He said no, they marry you. You know what? He just want born joy picking. That's all. He go feel call they say picking, but he don't want many man tying on that because if he married today, he don't marry before. If he married today, he know say this one, he go feel pain. And you know how you feel the back love for your waist. He don't want marry, we don't feel the back love for your waist again. I can't understand that pain. Say, now true she talk. Oh, now waiting me, I first experience with that. So the many people see me even since that last 2 years. Say, you change. Say you can't be, you can't find. I can't change. Last 2 years, last 3 years when I did marry, tell me how I be. Even though say I fat. Not be to fat make you good for marriage. Then they see her for, as I said, for me see when we no go for marriage. When they stress. Now I heard that they see, I'm gonna say this one, I just shake my head. Even though say not the talk, but me, I know. But one thing I want just to advise, even all of us today, when they watch me today, don't look your friend marriage, they say, she's the best. Because many people say my own good that time, till when I come out. Like Chacha, many people, even Peter Edochie talk about her. When I go watch, I know whether I'll see the video. Peter Edochie talk say, Chacha is in marriage. Even messages, we don't know what that one they pass through messages. Okay, many people they marriage, even a Choma Chukwuka. Many people they marriage, they cover up. Some good though, they fix the beer. But what the most important thing is understanding. And understanding really matters in marriage. And maturity. Maturity is not age. Many men grow, they don't get sense. Many women grow, they don't get sense. Some men grow, they be 50, they be 60, they don't get sense of marriage. So maturity really matters a lot because many people don't get maturity for marriage. So if you be matured man, it go day hard for you to cheat on your wife. I'm telling you the truth because your wife fine. It go there hard to go marry, go they give you my belly anyhow, come get 3 wife or 4 wife for your wife. You understand? Now man will not get sense. Now they go hard there because of small thing, 5 minutes you scatter your home. And men always make your wife to be happy. If your wife now be waiting, they worry many men for Europe today. They prefer their family in Africa than their wife in Europe. My wife go feel hustle and make she go work home. If she work, me I'll use my own take up. No! If your wife never eats, your children never eat, nobody they eat. I learned that after my separation. Even now I be so. If my children never take, my mama, I know my mama is very important, my father is important, but if my children never take, I still give my mama first. I don't carry them for many years. My children, they are very important to me. You understand? If my children, if me too not dey okay, I no dey give anybody. Even though say me no even wear cloth today, but my children, make them wear, make them dey okay. Today, many men don't know that one today. And tomorrow, that kind of woman can't divorce una. Because you don't want it. You're not a good father. Many women, they born today, they born for men today. The men, they take off the children. The women go suffer. Those kind of things, many they happen. I believe this girl now explains all those things. People don't say, they say the man a producer. And this girl not for the hard film again. Where money? Nigeria. If not be all those film, all those stuff. They say they get more change. She not because they wear better makeup. She not because they wear good clothes. She call they so native. You know, this one where they dress, when you go wear shoe, when you go, I know say some of them not be their own, they rent and all the stuff. But she was better when she was single than marriage. So we should learn. Okay? We should learn. If you see everyone marry, tell her and say, thank God for you. My own will come. If you don't want to marry as a woman, don't force yourself. If you want to have kids, you can have kids without marriage. Respect that kind of relationship. Living together. Men respect them more than even marriage. Really confess to you, tell you what they pass through marriage, you go see say many women they suffer today. Most of us we they cover up because we don't want to talk. We don't want people understand. We they come people come marry, but I learned that later. Say it's not good because I'm waiting for me. None of my friends. I mean, fair marry. Even my sisters, I mean, fair marry for all my sisters. You understand? So I don't really see who tell me about marriage. And my mother. Marriage not work too. You understand? This time marriage not destroy my mother and my father married. So I don't be picking where really grow up for marriage things. So you understand? So now when we come home, I can't see happen. I can't say, God. So all those made me open my programs today to teach my children. Even though say they don't come meet me, but this program they know how to go look. They go say take some more thing for inside. Not be say I they do one, but I think they chop person, I think they tell a word. No. I did not many people teach them because of fun. I don't get that time. I don't be past that level. Now for me to educate the children when they come today, we not still get better home, marriage life, the way me take grow come because me no get them. I get them. I for learn few things about them. You understand? So that's it. Okay. So please, if people are talking about Chacha, may nobody blame that lady. She's tired and let people should let her go. I will not pray for her that God should make them come back. The way many pastors tell me say, forgive. You know, if God come for Bible, God will tell you God is going to judge you. Now lie. God not going to judge me anything. Now lie. Because even God, before they come out, now God get my soul. Now God not get my heart. The way how they marry, God go feel will come in the night, come pour water, I go forgive that man. But why God not do one? But you know why? Because God knows that I am not good in that marriage. Because God knows that it's not good for me, it's not my way. Now may God say make I come out, make I for free. So you understand? So don't blame people when they leave their marriage, when their marriage is scattered. God knows say it not go work for you. Now make can break. So you guys should leave Chacha alone. I pray that God should give her the strength to take off her beautiful children. You don't get 3 children. How did they get picky rich? So, yes, Mr. God, no. So you understand? Yes, it's God that owns our hearts. We don't have, the heart won't get. Not be our own. You understand? Even when pastor, they beg you, they pray for you, they pray. Why you not they walk? Not be saying that they go enter your heart too. God knows say, he no go walk again. God knows say that place is not your way. That place is not for you. Now make her not walk. So when they deceive us, because he said, I knew you before. But God don't know your destiny. God don't know your future. Not everything when they happen to your life, when they happen to our life today, it's not a mistake. It's not a mistake. Now, what if God, because we can't pray, say God, maybe something they happen, God, we know why this kind of thing happen to us. We can't pray, God, change this thing for me. Through prayer, I go face it change. But God know you already before you were born. He know your name. So what will they talk about? Say marriage not work because if a man not married, I make her not married. Now lie. Now lie. Not be that one. She understand. So Chacha, move on. This man not deserve you because now they come and call they tell us say your marriage not good, baby. Before you say your marriage is sweet, now sugar. I understand. Now so we they talk before. All of us on that. Me, I understand well. Even though say I saw one guy talking about it. She not come out now can't talk because she never. No woman they speak out. There is no woman that's going to speak out that marriage is not good. Now when you don't reach her neck, now she they cry. Come and say make una call help me. I want to die. You understand? So you can see that voice, that video I drop. It says better I go with my life than she can't die. So me no want me that girl die because she's too young and her children are small. You understand? It's bon appetit. God bye. Go eat. My sister, thank you for being there, Star Progress. So you understand? So it's better you move out than for you to die in marriage. Okay, marriage is not by force. If the first one don't work, second one will feel work for you. Okay, but I don't pray for divorce. Okay, I don't pray for divorce. But if you are in the marriage, we know they work for you. My sister, it's better make you go, make for get peace of mind. Because many of us women today, we not get peace of mind. We not get joy. As I said before me carry back run go Lyon. Not be my high. I run go Lyon. Now my pikin school, they carry me come back. when I come back, bros not there house again. Shey you understand? He pay me, I cry. Not I not cry, I can't lean, I cry because it's not easy. Wetin I don dey this is easy, e not easy, but e no work. Shey you understand? So Chacha cry too. She feel the pain, but she had to go. It's better for her to go than for her to die in marriage. Okay? So Chacha, as I said before, be strong, take off your keys, go back to the things that you used to do that make you happy. If not that Nollywood, you still want go back, because I believe when you did Nollywood, you better pass now when you did so. Go back to a film, be the best woman that you have, bring that best in you, that gift that God gave to you before, bring it out, enjoy your life, be happy again, because this marriage you were not happy. You understand? They can see there's sorrow, there's pain in your body. And your body says now pain and sorrow. You are not sick, you are not mad. I feel your pain, I understand what you are feeling. You understand? I understand it. I understand, because even me, I was once there before. Okay, I understand it, but it's better you go. When you go out, how you don't go so, don't even come back. Okay, because even though you come back, there is not, the man will still do more. Even though say it will take time, but he will still do more. You understand? They say the devil you know, I don't know, the devil you know is better than the angel, but he's better. Sometimes you know say this one a devil already, just have to go. Even though say you not go see angel for outside, if you see John that devil, for example, it go still dey somehow better pass this one where you live somehow, because now you don't dey wise. You know when you for make mistake for this marriage, when you for let the man take all. Don't let a man take all in your life. You understand? Don't let man take all. I said before, go divide you, not with your friends again, not this one again. No, don't let a man take your life. Be careful, women, okay? And any marriage that you are living today that is not making you happy, and you are not feeling loved, the man did not love you, don't care for you, look at what you do to this man, this girl can be like man. How man pennies go take even race for this kind of person? Meanwhile, be get the picture they irritate me. You not be like the girl when I know before, even say with the makeup. Okay? So that kind of man will make you become man. That kind of man, you don't need that kind of man for your life, because you don't know your life. Doesn't mean you want to destroy your future, because your future is bright. Okay? So my dear people, my loved ones, okay? I don't support divorce. I talk about that last time. There are some marriage where you don't need to pray too much. If you're not there, they work, you're not having peace, you're not having joy, just go away. You understand? If you come out, that peace, that joy. Not if another person, not if another man. If the man don't come for your life, you go feel sleep, you feel get peace, you feel get joy. So that's it, okay? So I pray that God should give her the strength, the power to carry on, to be strong. May God take off our children, protect our children, the way God did protect most of us when we still separate many years ago. Okay? May God protect the children. May God make the children great, even though say the man not dead there. Because not be all picky way husband and wife train, and they good. So not deceive ourselves. Say, I know it's good to train father and mother to train their kids, but even if it's not working, you as a mom, you can train your kids alone. For France, here for Germany, how many women there with their father? For this Europe, how many women there with their father? Not be few women they get husband for house. Even though say the husband there, that consult, husband there in Nigeria, so husband there France, so husband there Italy, so husband, the women train their kids alone, but they say they are married. I felt now before that one be marriage. Okay? Any man where they abandon you for one place, like stick, like wood, like this thing. They say maybe una get how they do am, maybe una get the service una. I don't understand because many women, you know, person no fit talk. You understand? So any man that dump you in some way, or you are dumping your husband in some place, my dear, you better wake up, because in a few years time, that kind of thing, you know, I don't understand, Sha. You go feel the pain later when time will come. Not be 50 years you stay with your husband. Now you still young, and now you go enjoy your marriage, okay? So that's that. So Chacha matter, we don't drop a case today. I don't talk about her, you know, to make many people understand about life, you know. So if you see people like that, when they leave their marriage, you know, they judge them, because there are many things that is going on in their marriage that many people don't understand. Okay, there are many things when they go home when many people don't understand. So if you not cry half now, we're not gonna know what they happen. Okay, so thank each and every one of you guys. So God bless you for watching, and I hope to see you guys. I don't know, maybe by Thursday or Friday, I don't know, but I will just still bring another topic to talk about. Okay, if I still get anything about Chacha when it still come up again, but I know say they say husband cheat on her, go sleep with her friend. That one not good. I beg men, I beg una, if una marry, I una dey maintain una wife. Una make una wife most the beautiful woman in the world. Make una take off them, una worship una wife, clean your wife up. You understand? If you feel clean your wife, there is no woman where go sweet you for her. They try to do crazy things. You know, men, their head not correct, some of them. You understand? Maybe you women say they look sexy, look beautiful. Touch on a woman with beautiful before, but I don't know what's going to happen. You know, when woman not get peace of mind for marriage, she not go get beautiful things. Now when woman get peace of mind, now she really take off herself. So when you are a woman, you are not okay. You no fit get peace. You no fit dress. You no fit dress again. You don't even care of clothes. Now wetin many of us experience because peace no dey. We no dey happy for the marriage. Okay, not be the man will marry when we dey friend. Not be we come see for marriage. So it dey happen like that. Okay, so please, men, because of one thing, 5 minutes poor enter comot, you destroy your home. But even if you dey play game, no let your wife friend attract to you. No let your wife friend make am come be say you go pull your thing. You understand? And be careful, women. Even when you are married, not be your friend they bring come house. I'm even my friends no fit. My friend no be say I dey fear. I no dey get friends for my house. Now pack with dey sit down or bar, we wan go drink all those kind of stuff, go have fun. If we don't have fun, say that I do birthday or I do something, that person will come my house. And most of my friends, most of them are married women. I know some married women say they cheat. Okay? More I say they're single friends, but my single friends, I know they're all good. I know they're all not good. I know I want to gist about nonsense. We just talk. I know some are they that put. I know they bring her my home. So you as a married woman, you need to be careful the kind of people you bring you home, because many women they be devil that they can't destroy your home. Even boyfriend self, not be all your friends you go present your matter. Not be all your friends. If your boyfriend there, not be all your friend will let her enter your house, because some they come on how they give and they collect number. So just be careful. This life now wisdom. Maybe this man not be seeing photo. Maybe this cha-cha friend now still go use charm for this man now. They destroy her marriage. You understand? Maybe the man was once good because she stayed for 7 years. You understand? Maybe the man was once good. As for that last thing, that is called they change, called they feel the pain. Nobody know. You understand? But that's why men need to be careful. And your marriage, you need to go close to God. You understand? Bible is too important. Bible get many things about marriage. Even though say pastor on the preach, even me, you don't tell me I go to Trisha because of this coronavirus. I'm not carry my sister go to enter church. You cannot know. You understand? So Bible too, they teach you about marriage. Bible they teach you about how women are strong. It's not for only women, even men too. They will say women need to read Bible, women need to read. No, we only women. Man too need to go that Bible school. Even if they don't have church, if they're online now, if they Bible read them, it will still help you build your own home as a man. Okay, many men not only money they define. Your marriage, when you as a man, you don't fit keep your marriage, your first wife, you are a failure. I don't talk about before. Sometimes, except maybe the mistake come for the woman. Any man will not fit keep in marriage, the man a failure. Even though you marry second wife, if they take grace of God, may that marriage stay. If now you hurt that woman, if the woman will lay curse on that man, it's going to be hard for that woman to keep that man to keep a wife at home. Many men today don't confess that thing many years ago. All those old men, our father, that time when they married, when they divorce their wife, do anyhow. No woman did their house. If you go their life today, no woman did their house. No woman, they tell us some come born. They can't get one pikin will fit take off them. And the pikin go see grow come for house. Many of them go fetch water by themselves. Many of them go eat by themselves. Many of them go do things by themselves. That's why you to try your best to keep your marriage. For you to take off that one, because now you say, I won't marry you. I am capable to take off you. I am capable to love you, because women are looking for daddy. Hello, Mr. Timmy. Good afternoon. Women are looking for father. Women are looking for someone that will love them. So when you are a man, you could not keep a woman. You could not love the woman. You could not care for her. You can't cheat on her. You can't the way some they beat their wife. You are a failure as a man. You fail. Not let anybody give you hope, say you be correct man. You fail. So please, men, be careful. So when people come, she don't leave her marriage. She can't cheat. No, she can't cheat. Maybe when they take her easy. Like Chacha now, nobody know what really happened. Many things they will happen, but when she know what we talk about. Okay? Till one day when she don't dey heal, she fit come talk for us for Facebook, call use am mystery. You understand? So the way many of us they do am, okay? So that's it, okay? So please let's be careful. Okay, if you want marry, be sure. If you prefer your single life than marriage, no, you can have baby without even marriage. If you want to have baby, you don't feel born, not born. Enjoy your life as a single lady. Just dey there, you fit dey buy wetin you want. But if you don't marry, you call they do economic, call they buy for you, call they take off man, call they, if man not get you support. You understand? So now load too. Sure you understand? Now load. It's good to support husband. When husband say they bring, some men know they bring for this Europe. They want make you maybe woman carry every load because maybe government they give you small change. You understand? So be careful. Okay? Please, men. If you are not ready to marry, don't marry a woman. Don't bring a woman to your life. Don't and enjoy it. And today, most of you that is crying for marriage, that God will give you a husband. Don't force yourself to go and marry. God knows that marry when you marry, no will favor you. No marry. That's one thing when I was single. When I was married that time, my spirit tell me, say, no marry. I can't feel saying a joke. I say, huh? I will tell the father, I say, I dey fear to marry. Because I believe, my spirit tell me, say, no marry, oh. I wish I obeyed that thing that time. Maybe not now for the marriage. 32 years, not now I made the marry. Now I made the born self. But I say, thank God. So you understand? So be careful. So if your mind, thank you. So if your mind is telling you don't marry, not force yourself. Just remain your single. Single not be curse. Many people say when you be single, God don't curse you. If you be single, you know what? Not lie. Many people they lie say don't marry. Me I not like when I come my page. You understand? So if you are not married, it doesn't matter. Okay? If you want to have kids, you see when you like you want to have kids. One of my girlfriend just me born that day. He tell the boy say no, they marry you. I want just born more. If you want more, no problem. It just everybody know what you go for now today. What you feel carry. Don't carry what you know feel carry. You understand? If you are a man too, you don't want marry yet. I want baby, one more born together, we will live together, but no marriage. It's okay. It's very simple. So you not go worry the woman, no go worry you. Everybody life like Oyibo. So you understand? Because today we black. I don't know what they worry us. We don't know how to keep woman. But we want marry wife because we see our friend marry. You understand? See Chacha marriage, big marriage like that, wonderful marriage like that. The man don't spoil her. Many people come out and judge the girl. No, not judge her. Nobody should judge this girl. Not that I'm fighting for her. I understand her pain. You understand? Nobody should judge her. The marriage was not good. So if today you marry and your husband they do you shishi, your husband they make you they cry. If they come out you they feel pain. Now you can be the load. The man they cheat on you. The man, the man they deny you for many things. Some women are not the sex again. Even this one I see her, so she never they make love again for all those pictures when she carry. Because one way they make love, it go fresh. She know they make love again now. And many women they suffer in Europe. They just want to go outside, go do a biki for that side, go make love with that woman, spend 3 hours for them. When you come meeting once in a while, just turn your back. Oh yeah, like all those Guinea where they do their wife, turn their back, come up for them. The woman know they enjoy now. You know they get that urge. You know they take off and the way they do one before now. Touch. Go away. Another one before you go die for inside. Just have to carry your bag and come out. Those men not water. So I beg man they curse women again and tell they say they don't want to marry. So anyone who come for marriage, she there is why she go. Like this beautiful lady when she come also. So if you want to know her, if you don't know her, just put her name, actress, Chacha, you understand? Just put her name. You go see the picture. May you look this girl before. May you look now. And today many women they feel that kind of thing. If you know say they lie, you be married woman. You say not lie. I don't think talk not make sense. If your marriage really good, go look your picture of before. Not be only the beauty or because you come fat now you go slim. Look when you date single. Look your heart when you date single. The way you get peace of mind, and now when you marry. So if you say maybe you come marry now you get peace of mind. See right and say I am better now. So if you go look your picture before, you go look, you see right and say I was once better. Me when I never married that time, now I better pass. I too get peace of mind. I too dey okay. I want as in money they pass my hand then, but now thank God I'm not there again. But I thank God that it's better. But I always give thanks. I always thank God. The beautiful children we got to bless that our union for that 6 years and a half. Okay, so that's it. So please, women, anything when you do when they give you pain, if you can say it out, you can talk to your partner. Say, see this, they pay me, they work for me, If the man go fit change, they change. But if you not change, but don't just leave your marriage like that without you not talk about it. You understand? They see what they live, but talk about it. When you are feeling the pain, when the marriage is not working, talk to him. That's see what they pay me. Not come up for a marriage when you not talk to the man. Let the man know why you did. Tell the man say, this say they pay me. If they continue, not if stay. So when the man not change, because some men they be devil, they put this thing for their ear. They feel lock on. So when they tell us the year, then you can take your this, you take your bag and baggage this. Carry your children along with you. Don't leave your way. The way Chacha just say, I am done. I pray make she I know say she's serious. You understand? Mama K, good afternoon. I know say she dey serious now. Because last day they tell her make she talk. She no want talk. My marriage is good, is work. She can't dey lie. Me and the man come out. They can't dey show love. She can't dey lie. No deny for men. Tell they say, well, it's stress of marriage. Even though say not tell you about everything, yeah, there are a lot of stress we are passing in our marriage, but thank God now we are fine. No deny for men. Not deny for them. Because some men no water. Today now, she don't do the worst. But the girl come and say, I know if we die. Before I go die, make I come out before I die. Because if you die, nobody go take you. So it's better you move out. You understand? So that you'll be free. Now some just say rich. So guys, so let me leave you. I don't waste many time now because of this Chacha matter. Okay? So if you want to know how more, you can go and put her name on Facebook, even YouTube. There are many presenters that is talking about it. But I just want to share this for many women out there. When they feel pain in their marriage, they die in their marriage. It's better say you come out than for you to die. Okay? Any man will not know your value. When he make you maybe 3 wife, 4 wife, that man not love you. Not let any man keep you like bag. You not be bag. They need to sample you like telephone. You know telephone now, we know they carry every time. The man need to bring you, sample you. A man will love you, need to be with you. You need to appreciate, you need to touch you, not let man throw you for one side. You understand? Even though you born, are you born girl? You don't mean anything. You need your husband to appreciate you, to present you, to take care of you. Many will not complain. I be fourth wife. The man go they carry belle give and that girl come they meet me. I don't know what they come out. I know they see the man again once in a year and the man they come meet me. My dear, and you're not happy. You go. No let people laugh you. So they who laugh me that they better pass me. Many people will laugh at you, but they're not better than you. Many of them go laugh you because they don't know what you pass through. But I pray most of them will say pass through that they'll say, now what did this woman say that make her wrong? That's how it be. So you will not go there. You don't know how it be. So you understand? Don't laugh people. You understand? They know what they see for them. You understand? So now I learned that one 6 years. That after my 6 years and a half marriage. I know they laugh. But I know the laugh person. Either they come out and say, leave her. Now she know what he see. Not be everything when we go see. Let me talk so. And if you feel why they throw away for people, maybe put it in get sense. So I believe Chacha will come out one day, can't tell us what really happened, more about it. Even though say the man cheats, the man sleep with her friend, that one not good. Man, when they keep on a thing for a trouser. Man, when they keep it not good. You know what it did this thing self? What it did? Now you keep see Chacha, you can't make her become man. Now you look at friend with this sexy. Why you know if you make your wife be that beautiful queen when she felt be before? Because your hand not good. Some men hand is not good for woman body. That's just it. So I know many people not go like what I talk say because I talk about men. But let me just take it. To me, I'm a mother of 4 boys. I be 3 boys. 3 boys. 3 boys with 1 girl. Okay. I respect men. Okay. But some men, if I hear on a story what I do to women, it make me the verse. And when they curse women, now those they are stupid women. Europe women don't want marry. African women don't want marry. Now lie. Some of them not good. Now made the women they live now. And I said before any man will not keep in marriage, you let woman come up for your prestiging because you know take off your wife because you deny the woman for your right. The woman can't leave your hand. It's going to be hard. You know when you pray rich. Even the second one you marry, it go still go. So now, so as I said before, Chacha, if you can watch this video today, anybody can watch her. I love that girl so much. Now she made me want to enter Nollywood before, even though she's not gonna take me for Nollywood. Okay, maybe let's say they find me now. If go art film will no matter. Okay, so now because of her, I really want to enter Nollywood many years ago because of her film. You know, now I don't like all those. I love her so much. You understand? I love her. They will say love person. If I watch her film, I dey gaga. Her film they maybe they all those her film made me really tear her more. Even that time when I come Europe that time, I really love her film. She understand? I love her film. Come see her last year. She can't do bad. So me are number 1 fans. When you say love you, now me I love you well. Okay, take off your children. Go bath yourself. I want to see you back in Nollywood. Go back and act your film. Bring anyone come out. Use what happened for your 7 years of marriage. Take give us story. Take give us life. May we learn because we want to learn. Don't hide your story. Your story can be a blessing to many people today. Okay, now make us see they share this one. Many women learn. You understand? So if you pay for marriage, no hide that for that man. She for not come out last year, but she don't want to talk. She still keep on saying maybe the man will change. Any man whether they misbehave, it they take before it go change. You understand? It go take time. Some of them when you don't work out, now you can't realize the mistake. But as long as you are still living with that man, so no they change. They will still be that fool, that idiot. I'm sorry to say, that man when they still be that you know men like they carry ego. No woman will feel me. No, I be the man. Even though you be the man. Bring yourself calm down. Not believe woman they calm down for man. You self see, be like this for your wife, like this. No let one pass body. Because our tradition, now man be the head. Man is the head, the Bible bet. Even though say na man of the head, put on like this. Because the way they carry yourself with the head, that's you they fall. So be like this with your wife. I make Oyibo sometimes. I know so Oyibo marry, they could they scatter. Now I mean they say they take time, sometimes they long pass to they marry or they marry. Because Oyibo they be equal for their home. No one pass body. So that'll be the thing. So guys, so Chacha, please just take heart and take off your kids and be strong. I don't want to say you cry again for this video. You understand? Not cry again. Bath yourself. I know you feel the pain. I understand. 7 years is not a joke. Bath yourself. Take off yourself. Take off your children. And be that pretty woman you be. Go find better makeup of your face. Put better makeup. Wear better clothes. Take some time. Arrange yourself and go back to movie. Go hard movie. That's what me just see and reach. So guys, so make I leave on now. So if you see saying I told you I still talk about this matter, you can still share your own, drop your own message, okay? Drop your own to encourage women. You understand? Many women they suffer. Now many of them they come with a chat. If you see many women with them married, they feel pain. They not feel, some of them not feel come out. So don't know how they want to go, they fear. So don't get 5, they get 6. So my dear, even though say you get 5, you get 6 kids, man, they will still carry you, not a fear. Because many of them they fear, say, oh, who carry me? There are many men that will carry you. Important, you don't leave your home when not they pursue you. Leave when it's important. When the thing, you know, say the thing they grab. Even God in heaven said, go see, say, this girl, make it go. As I said before, any marriage where they come out, God knows say it's not good for you. No be say God no go fit stop you. There are some marriage where God dey stop you. God no want make you go. He go give una second chance. Make una take continue again. Everything go dey right. But any marriage where you come out, you no fit return back again. God knows say that place is not for you. Now make am not change your heart. Now God get heart. So when people talk say, she don't want marry. God knows say that place not be your own. Now make am say make you go. But many people no go tell her this. Now wetin me feel. That one of my girls my own brain. Let me take think am. Let me take carry that one. So I know say maybe people don't go feel and the way I feel. But me, that's what I feel. That's what I think. Anything that is not working in your life, that is not for you. God know why it's not working, or God know why you are not there. You understand? What you go work for you, nothing go make you come out. I'm going to say sometimes bad time will come, but God must arrange am make you for stay. You understand? Many people don't stay for 50 years in marriage. Nobody say they don't fight. Nobody say the husband don't do small things. Nobody say the husband don't play small game, but they are still there. Because whenever the thing happen, they try to arrange them. So marriage, they want to turn to the camp. Nobody go fit arrange. Even pastor pray, come arrange. You know go fit walk. Because God knows that place is not for you. That place is not for you. If not, so you go die. And you know how many women they die for marriage? You know how many women? Nobody say the man they beat them. They would say heart attack. When they come house, the man, if they see the man alone, they won't die. One woman tell me say my husband try when they get peace. If my husband there, how they get peace? Now say what did they wait for? She's not in Nigeria. So you don't go wrong. She don't work out that day now. She don't go now. Guinea woman. She don't work out. So don't waste time because your age they go. You dey waste time for one man wey no know your value. Now your time they go. If man dey 50 years, the man will still marry. When man dey 60 years, see Regina husband today. I mean, not be 19 years old they go marry. He can still marry, but you will be woman. If you don't reach 60 years, when you never get money, which man will carry you? The man go use to do a year. Man go dey sleep with your pikin mate. Now you still young, you still have life. When the marriage is not working, just move out and rebrand yourself. Take off yourself. Find better makeup. If you have fat, slim. Chop only egg. Make you take lost that weight. You will become young again. Young guy, if your own mate or you not carry my way too good, your own mate will carry you. Even though say you get 6 children. Okay? So I'm proud of her. She's a strong woman, Chacha. I know she can do it. She can take care of her kids. She's a woman that loves her kids. She loves her family. But it did not work. So I don't want to blame her. I don't want anybody to blame her. She's tired and it's not working. I wish it would work. She could have stayed. And even not to say it, for her to stay for 7 years. 7 years, many things happen when she not fit tell us. You understand? And this one she bring come and say, he cheat on me, and many things have been going on in the marriage, all those kind of stuff. So we need to learn. Okay? Learn. When something is happening in your home that is not good, look for someone to talk to. Look for a friend that you can cry in her shoulder. That friend can tell you one word or can help you or can give you a solution that will change your own life. Okay? Many women today they marry, their husband will say, not follow friends again. Hey, that your friend don't want to see again. Because she knows that your friend, like me now. Many men go they fear me now. Because why? Go say, this guy will tell you presenter. He go spoil my wife for me. Yes, many men go they fear me. They tell you the truth. Many men will be afraid of me because he will say, now I go tell this woman now, say, see, not follow him or even not watch her program again. No. Many men, if you know they watch my program because of your husband, then they tell me, they'll go dodge, wash him. I tell them, say, then when your husband go choke him for your high. Not cry, come meet me. Because I'm going to you to talk my program. So you better they watch me, they learn. Not me say I want me to destroy your home, but I want to teach you many more things when you go to hear. You will face it to repair your home. But if your husband stop you, it can't happen. You can't cry, come out. I could use it preach. That's it. So don't let many people tell me, my husband let me they watch YouTube. Why? Because you know what make you get sense, you know what make you wise, you know what make you know what did happen. So please, women, don't let your husband or your boyfriend deny you for waiting you they do. Anyone when they pursue you for something, that man want to destroy your life. In case when that thing happen, you know go see who you will call. You know go see who you will cry to. So always try to keep your friends. And not to get friends. As I said, for most of my friends, they're big past me. My mama now. Most of my friends, they are some 40s. You understand? 40, late 40s. If I want to get 38, 39. Nobody say that now only 2 or 3 now I feel they call, say, mama, so they pay me. And they go really advise me like my own mom. Because of everything I'll tell my mama again. She understand? It's everything they, now waiting my mama will feel handle for me. And now I feel they come and say, mama, But some what is like this, like maybe relationship, not everything I will tell mama. But I will still call my mama, I'll say, because don't see take for marriage, don't see get more experience. You understand? Don't say coach me, I'll say thank you. I'll still use them for myself and it go work for me. So don't marry or don't be relationship. You understand? It's very bad. Those kind of men, when they go to come for your high, you no go see where go. Now make Chata tey reach that kind 7 years. Not be say she no wan go since. Okay, and she can't even born. Not be say last year, I be last stage she born for here. You understand? She can't born the third boy, the third child will be boy so. But I thank God that she still born the 3 children for one man. Even though say she not born again, it's okay. Thank God. Even though say she want born again, na still good. But important thing, those 3 children na for one father. So that's it. So my people, be careful before you dey marry. Fair think, fair watch. If you go marry, if your single life go better pass marriage. If your single life go better pass marriage, it better pass say make you remain single, no marry. You can have baby if you want to have baby. It's no obligation so you must marry. You understand? Just have your baby, remain your single life. You can have a man around you if you want. You understand? But you know say your happiness, your joy, they will not work. Tell them say, bros, first come go your side first. I did my house. That's how you reach. When the head don't cool down, you go run come back. Okay. Yes, so yeah, she understands. So that's it, okay? So it doesn't matter, you know. So your happiness matters a lot. Many of us when we dey marry, we not get happiness, even peace of mind, we not get. So not marry when you not get peace, not marry when you not get joy. You understand? Not marry when you not go get happiness, you not fit take off yourself, even to buy clothes. Many of my friends they buy clothes, they look there. Now Chinese we they wear that time. When we see buy Chinese of 10 euro, go they happy. Hey, we see the dance, we they form. Chinese, we were there. Chinese not be bad thing, Chinese na cloth. But even though say Chinese, you want buy cloth of Chinese, Chinese they get, not be Chinese of 2 euro. You understand? That will not be cloth, that one na 2 weeks cloth, you go see spoil. Cloth when you go buy, when you go last, even so na Chinese, you know see me I dey wear, you don't tell me I wear my car, I can't get fortune, I don't feel they wear those kind of expensive cloth again. Where are they wear and they go? I say where they go occasion, I want to birthday, now the clothes I buy, because I want to go occasion. If not so, I want to buy clothes with the expensive, because that expensive cloth, I can go buy cloth of 200 euro now, when I get 4 children, I don't go see sleep. She understand? So that cloth of 400 or 200, I used to buy for all my 4 children. They go to take maybe like 2 jeans for me to buy for only 1 shirt. So that was then. But now I cannot do such thing. Okay? So when you see they marry, if you see they buy cloth, like the way you they buy when you they single, not be too much, but you know, you they try. Not be say you come marry, you know, if they buy cloth, but your husband will come, your husband will go Dolce Gabbana, your husband will wear Gucci. When you be wife, you know if you wear Gucci. Now what do we experience? So man go wear neck for leg. You may be wife, you know if you buy neck. Man go wear Dolce Gabbana for shirt. You will be wife, you know if you wear, you're going to buy Chinese 10 euro. You think that marriage na good thing for you? Your husband is taking his money, or you are taking your money to take off your husband. You as a wife, you know they okay. Imagine. And when you see Shata, the man was okay, the man they look good though, the man look handsome. Make I leave this topic, okay? We'll talk about it next time, okay? So if you guys want us to talk about it, but I'll still go for more research, okay? About Chacha or anything at all, you know, we'll bring it. I think this one suits well. Maybe to encourage many women, okay? Don't leave your home when it's not necessary, okay? If na small thing they have for a marriage, I talked about the last week. Small thing they have for a marriage, you understand? Yeah, okay. I will talk about it. I'll see. You understand? Yeah, well, yes, of course. Yes, now. If you want, I will talk about it again. I will talk about something like something similar to this, you know. But if something they have for a marriage when you know they important, maybe not be all those fighting and small things where they happen, you feel enraged. Not be say because that her husband just cheat, and make she just go. Maybe the man say they beat and join her. Because all those African men, some of them are too they aggressive. They beat their wife. Those violent, you know. When Todike leave house, people say, Todike not go marry again. But the man really beat her that time. Many people don't know. She understands. So that make I know they judge people. I can never even open my page. I'm not going to talk about Todike. But today I'm very proud of Todike, the kind of woman she has become today. Yeah, and the man, they are friends. Like my father and my kids, we are friends. We don't talk too much every time. But once in a while, we just every call, how you doing now, the family, bele, just like that. Today I'm proud of her, the kind of woman she has become. One thing I will tell you as a woman, when you live your life, take off yourself, bring out the best in you. Let that man they see you, they cry, say, when I say make she come become. You understand? Bring the best in you, not spoil yourself. Take off yourself. Maybe if not cream, if you wear black, go look for cream to chocolate. If you be yellow woman, look for color, take yellow your color again. Let that man they see you, they cry, say, now he not feel hold you. Say, now your hand no good for your body. Now be one thing when woman they do. Don't let man leave you, you can't kill yourself. You can't spoil yourself. You can't get bad name. Bring that best in you. And I pray that God, those women are the way they feel those pain, when you really come for their home, when they're not there okay, God knows that they're not there okay when they come out. May God give you the strength. May God give you the wisdom, understanding to train your children. May they become great. Even that man will see those children. The man will pray for you. He will say, even those are not there, this woman will train these children. These children become somebody in life. That's one thing I pray for those women. And may God open way for you. If that kind of thing happen, God must give you way. My story, and if I work, and I don't get money to feed my children, may God give me work. If I don't say the word not waiting at all, may God give me work. May I fit take care of my children. Thank you. You understand? So that's it, okay? You understand? So God must surely give you the power. He must surely provide for you to take care of your children. If God not give me that one to that for to take care of the children, when the man they bring once in a while, how will take chop? Shall you understand? But God they see. God they see your pain. So even if you are living, God know why you are living. Now make God not they stop many people when they leave their marriage. Now make God not they, if they go, God not they, they stop you. Not be say God not fit stop you. Not be God get you. God go fit say now stay here, not go stay here. God will keep me for this sitting 3 hours. I go there here. My brain not go even go me. I stand. Now God hold me. So God can hold you. He can keep you. But God no want keep you because He know it's not good for you. Because God no want lost any soul. He no want make any of us die like that. Now make God they let you go. It's better you go for you to be alive than for you to die. This scatter you come out. God know why. So that's one thing I want many women to understand today. Someone had judge women. Okay? So Chata is a strong woman. God is going to help her. We'll take off her keys. So if the man still feel like support your children, take off your children, don't abandon your children for your wife, even those are not there together. Because some men will do and well. Take off your keys, support the woman, even though they're not there together. God will still bless you. God will open more door for you. But if you deny those children, you not take off those children, your door is going to lock. You're not going to money to chop. Or even though you get other children to feed other children, as long as you're not taking care of the first one, in a course. She understand? So that's just, it's very simple. This life is very simple. Now, very simple mathematics. She understand? So women, open your eye. If you are in pain today, you are in distress, many of them are in distress, talk to someone. Okay? God first, and you talk to somebody. Before Saturday come out today. Now she says she's not tired. She won't go. Last day she was there talking that nothing is wrong with her. She's working so busy. But so that's why I see Henry. So guys, so let me leave him not to waste my time. We don't take away. I don't spend almost 1 hour. Okay, guys. So I will see you guys by Thursday. So let me see if I can get another new message. The one I did write, I never finish them. So let me see. We'll talk about another thing entirely. So if you see have some mess, you want me to talk about something that you know that is interesting. You know, this is why here with the this one very important. You know, she spent 7 years, me I spent 6 years and a half. So now let me really talk about, and I don't talk about artists, I don't talk about what is happening, but I think it's good for us to learn. Okay, so if you know you still have something that you want me to talk about, so you can still bring it to me. Let's talk about this. Let's encourage women. Let's encourage men. So now, so like be. So more they encourage ourselves, more for the learn. So if you are a man today, try to save your home. Be a good husband to your wife. Take care of your children. Those are your responsibility. You understand? Women need father, not the only husband we define. Now many of us they marry because one man we go care for us, one go love us, one go really be. But sometimes when they marry, we not going to see that kind of thing again. So if you know you're that kind of man, you can keep your home and God will bless you. And always ask for wisdom in God's hand, and God will always give you that wisdom to carry your home. So if you are a man, you never get on, not ready to marry, take time, learn, go and read more in Bible. Go to school of marriage so you can learn. So when you get married, you feel gather your home. So you understand? It's not by age. You understand? I think yes, you feel married when you get that wisdom, when you get that thing of marriage. That's just, it's very simple. So please, men, always try to save your home. It's not only women that save home. Men too, you need to save your home. And I hope to see you guys next week or Thursday by the grace of God. Bye.